Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. Smart Technology MEHEDI has brought a new video for you. At the beginning of the video, I want to say that if you are new to my channel, then definitely subscribe to the channel and click the bell button below, then as soon as I upload a new video, it will reach you. Moreover, if you like this video, then definitely like and comment on the video. So without further ado, I am starting today's main video. PC Series, HP Spectre X362 in one business laptop, operating system, Windows 11 Home Edition, processor, 13th generation Intel Core i7-1355U processor, up to 5.0 GHz, 10 cores and 12 threads with Intel Turbo Boost technology. Processor family, 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor, shape, deformation book, memory, standard 32GB LPDDR4X 4266 MHz dual-channel memory, memory slot, onboard, maximum supported memory capacity, 32GB, memory frequency, transmission rate is as high as 4266 MT/s. Storage hard disk, 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD, storage type, SSD, display screen, 13.5 inches, 3K, 3000 by 2000, OLED, multi-touch, graphics card, Intel Iris X graphics card, ports, 2 USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports with 40 gigabits per second transmission rate, USB power output, PD 3.0, DisplayPort 1.4, HP Sleep Charging port, 1 USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 2 port with 10 gigabits per second transmission rate, 1 headphone/microphone combination jack, port, 1 microSD card reader, camera, 5 megapixel face recognition camera. Storage hard disk, 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD, storage type, SSD, display screen, 13.5 inches, 3K, 3000 by 2000, OLED, multi-touch, graphics card, Intel Iris X graphics card, ports, 2 USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports with 40 gigabits per second transmission rate, USB power output, PD 3.0, DisplayPort 1.4, HP Sleep Charging port, 1 USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 2 port with 10 gigabits per second transmission rate, 1 headphone/microphone combination jack, port, 1 microSD card reader, camera, 5 megapixel face recognition camera. So if you want to buy this product, then click on the description link below and buy the product of your choice. I have reviewed various products of Alibaba.com. So if you want to buy this product from Alibaba.com, then definitely click on the description link below my video and buy the product. So the viewer must comment on how you liked the video, and comment on any new topic to make a video. If you get encouragement, I will definitely come to you with more new videos. Thanks.